Hi Diego.
Hi Cueto.
What are we going to prepare today in the MLG Cooking Show?
We're going to prepare Swiss enchiladas.
Oh, that's great.
Now let's talk a little bit of this Swiss enchiladas history.
Yes, but nobody knows exactly from where they come from.
But there's a legend, no?
Yes, there is a legend.
Well, tell me that legend.
Oh, there was a chef that prepared food for Maximiliano de Habsburgo, and when the empire fell, he went to another part and put it his own restaurant, and I forgot the rest.
And then Walter Sanborns came and saw that food and named it like that because the melted cheese remembered him to the Swiss Alps.
Oh, yes, that's true.
Well, we now are going to a commercial. We'll be back in a second.
The secret for a tasty meal is to use Philadelphia cream cheese.
Hey, what did you tell them?
Because it's only 20 pesos.
Really? 20 pesos?
Yes, only 20 pesos. And that's not all. In the buy of 3 Philadelphia bars,
You can get a free pan.
a pan.
Yes, a pan.
Wow, that's great. You can't lose this opportunity.
Preparing the enchilada sauce, you'll need the following ingredients.
190 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 kilogram of peeled tomatoes, and 1 piece of onion.
1 piece of poblano chill, half a cup of coriander, and 3 teaspoons of oil.
And for preparing, also you will need 3 teaspoons of concentrate powder and unsalted chicken broth. And for the enchiladas, you will need
16 tortillas and 2 chicken breasts.
also 12 slices of manchego cheese.
Now the preparation process.
Let's cook. First, cook the tomatoes and chili in water with a little salt until its color becomes pale and drain. Now you put the oil in the pan.
You pass the tortilla to the oil.
Blend the onion with the tomato. The chili. With the coriander. With 1 spoon of chicken concentrate powder and Philadelphia cream cheese.
Now you make a taco with the tortilla and the chicken.
We put the sauce on them.
Now you put the slices of the manchego cheese on top of it.
Now you put the enchiladas in the microwave for 3 minutes. This is how your enchiladas are supposed to look like.
Yes, and they are very delicious.
Now with this, it's time to say goodbye.
See you next time on MLG Cooking Show.
Bye.